911 emergency.
Yeah, I'd like to report an encrunchancy.
Excuse me?
It's a crunch-related emergency.
Sir, did someone get injured or, crunched, as you put it?
Yeah, me. I ordered this big crunch sandwich from KFC, and this shit ain't crunchy at all. I mean, I would tolerate the name medium crunch, adequate crunch, or even the somewhat beyond mild crisp level of crunchitude crunch. But big crunch? Didn't even hurt my gums or nothing. Why do I still have teeth?
Sir, this line is for reporting emergencies and crimes only.
Yeah, well, this is a crime. It's rape, murder, and arson.
And why is that, sir?
Because this sandwich raped my taste buds, murdered my faith, and set my soul on fire! Also, it committed breaking and entering into my wallet and trespassing into my circle of trust.
So, this is a complaint about how your sandwich isn't crunchy enough?
It's about as crunchy as a baby's dick!
Oh, sure.
Yo, don't judge me. You do a lot of fucked up shit when you work the night shift at McDonald's, okay?
I'm sorry, sir, but this is not a life or death situation.
Oh, yeah? Did I mention that I have a gun pointed at this sandwich's head?
Sandwiches do not have heads, sir.
Tell that to the head of this fucking sandwich. Excuse me while I curse at this sandwich for a moment. Fucking sandwich.
Sir, please stop. Sir, will you please come back here? Sir, please stop yelling at a sandwich.
Listen to the minimal level of crunchosity this sandwich has when I bite it. You hear a single goddamn crunch in there?
No, sir, it actually sounds like you are punching wet pancakes.
Now this is a crunch sound.
Oh my God, sir, what have you done?
I just snapped my dog's leg in half. That's a crunch.
Sir, I'm going to have to send a cruiser over to arrest you for animal cruelty.
You listen to me. I didn't watch a DVD that I rented from the library for free about a guy who fought in Afghanistan to have my civil liberties trampled on this way by the utter lack of crunchesqueness displayed by this sandwich. What if it was a child who put this lump of wet hog in his mouth? Would we be having this conversation? Or would you be sending the authorities to arrest a chicken sculpting pedophile who cooked this thing? Sir, I implore you to do the right thing here. And not just for me, but for the chicken who gave his life for this. He deserves more. He deserves to have himself breaded with dignity, like a man, a real chicken man. And I can tell you with a heavy heart, this ain't dignity. Not even Rosie O'Donnell would eat this, and that fat hunk of bitch would eat a Polish zombie.
Sir, did you cue up your own inspirational music?
Yo, you know this is all Obama's fault.